And there you go, guys. As you can clearly see, we've just claimed 100,000 Microsoft Rewards points for free. Completely legit and absolutely free. Watch this video till the end to see exactly how I did it. All right, so first you need to open your web browser and head over to a site called bonzocode.com. Make sure you type it correctly. Once you're on the page, you'll notice tons of different coupon codes and rewards available at no cost. Now let's scroll through and find the Microsoft Rewards Points section. All right, here it is. Tap on it. As you can see, we can get 100,000 Microsoft Rewards Points from here. Now what you have to do is click the Show Coupon Codes button. The codes are currently locked, so we need to unlock them. Press Unlock Code and just wait while the tool does its work. Alright, now it says we need to complete any 2 tasks to unlock the codes. It's very simple, just follow along. All you need to do is download and open any 2 of the apps listed here and run them for at least 30 seconds. Each offer has different requirements, so make sure to read them carefully and complete them exactly as instructed. If you don't follow the steps properly, the unlock won't work. Let's go ahead and complete one of the offers and follow all the steps. I'll speed this part up because it might take a little time. Once the app finishes downloading, open it and run it for the required duration. This step is extremely important, so make sure you do it correctly. As you can see, the offer has been completed successfully. Let's close it and go back to the verification page. Now reload the page and wait a moment, and boom, there you go. The codes have been unlocked successfully. Let's scroll down and find the one we want, and there it is. As you can see, the Microsoft Rewards Points code is now revealed. Now what you need to do is go to the official Microsoft Rewards redeem page. I'll drop the link in the comments below. Once you're there, enter the code we just unlocked. I'll type it quickly. And there you go, guys. As you can clearly see, we've successfully redeemed 100,000 Microsoft Rewards points. Totally free. Thanks for watching.